Here we have a mid-60s Case 530CK with some upgrades. The first notable upgrade is the ROPS cage. This fit a 580CK, and in the back it's a simple bolt-on affair. Everything bolts on there just like from the factory. In the front we needed to weld some plates and some tabs, and it came out quite nicely. Now this is a much safer machine. The other upgrade is the alternator, which is also nice. It's got a diesel motor. Everything works on it, and we'll demonstrate that. There's still going to be a few little things here and there, typical idiosyncrasies, but nothing that keeps it from actually working right now. You're going to need a new rear tire. The other tire's new on the other side. And that's it. Many of the seals have been replaced, and I have seal kits if anything else starts leaking. At the moment nothing's leaking. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what's going on up here. So here's your controls. Down there is your clutch. This is a power shuttle, so it does have a torque converter in it, and I'll get to that in a minute. This lever here is your forward and backwards. Here's your throttle. I do have another throttle lever that I need to put on there. What this lever here is this gives you the option to choose either torque converter power shuttle or to lock up that torque converter. I generally keep it in the down position, which acts as a torque converter, which is very similar to the torque converter 580CKs. This also has a high and low range that the 580CKs don't often have. And of course there's your 4-speed transmission with reverse. So the way I've got this wired at the moment is when you turn on the ignition, let's see, sorry about this, turn on the ignition, this light here comes on, and then this light will come on when we're charging. Now what I need to do is I need to run a resistor right in here. Typically I just unplug the plug out of the alternator, but without the resistor in here, when the backhoe is sitting, the electricity will actually drain the battery. So when you put a resistor in here, that'll solve that, but it's just as easy to unplug it. Everything should be in neutral. Now this light is on, which indicates that we're charging. And of course you also have an ammeter, which also indicates we're charging. I'm going to set up this tripod, and then we'll be able to run a demo. Alright, let's see how that works. Try to do it fast. So, one thing you might have noticed is that it's also got an auto leveling feature on the front bucket, which is that third cylinder there. So, good running machine. Good for a small farmette or any place you need a inexpensive backhoe.